Hello everyone, my name is Galal Mohammed and I'm a senior engineer working in the Oasys LS-DYNA team at Arab. In this burst, I'll be giving an update on the positioning trees we've developed in Primer for the industry-leading HBM and Thumbs family of models. These trees allow users to achieve realistic articulation and positioning of human body models to prepare them for simulation-based positioning. Primer simulation-based method uses cables to pull the body parts into position during an LS-DYNA analysis. So positioning a human body model in Primer needs a tree file. This is a separate file with metadata about the body. It tells Primer which parts should move together and how they're connected using joints. The stop angles of the joints are determined by anatomical research. Tree files are available for the most popular detailed occupant and pedestrian family of HBM models, and more are continuously being developed. These tree files are free for Primer users and available from your local Oasys distributor. We also support the simplified versions of HBM for both occupant and pedestrian postures. With respect to thumbs, tree files are also available for the most popular Thumbs versions, and more are continuously being developed, including the new version 7 models. Again, these tree files are free for Primer users and available from your local Oasys distributor. In conclusion, our Primer positioning trees are currently being used by over 60 clients worldwide to achieve easy and interactive positioning of complex human body models. Many of our customers are now successfully using them, improving their workflows and achieving higher quality LS-DYNA models as a result. So please reach out to us for more information.